I am here today with this very cool game, a Blokus or Blokus. I don't know, but this looks really amazing. I've loved playing Tetris as a kid, and now perhaps I can play this with my son and the family. So it's you can play this with up to 4 people and from 7 ages and up. Oh, it's just a little bit of tape there to keep the box together. For 7 ages and up. So I think this could be a cool family game. So let's unbox that today and see what we get. So I think the premise of the game is like blocking everyone in. So you can create your own little space there. Let's see what the instruction manual says and what this looks like. So, okay, cool. Right off the bat, we have the instruction manual here. Then a very large game board. And everything in here is in like these little bags. It reminds me a little of the direction that Lego is going in with these paper bags instead of like the plastic bags they used to have. That's nice. And what would this be then? Oh, this is a resealable bag. So you get a resealable bag with it. You can put the blocks in. And that's nice. For each color, you get a resealable bag. So that's pretty nice. And then here are the blocks. So let's open that up. Let's see what we have. So I think every color has the same blocks. And all of these Tetris blocks. And then you can put that on the game board here. And it sits in quite nicely. So it doesn't tip over that easily. I think that's nice as well. Especially with a little bit younger kids. They might get frustrated if they lose their space on the board. And you don't know where you are. So the contents, 84 pieces. 21 pieces per color, and then each player chooses a color and takes that set of 21 pieces, then play clockwise around the board, starting from a corner space. So you have to start in the corner right here with a block. Each player takes turns placing pieces of the color on the board. There's just one rule to remember. Every piece you play must touch another piece of your color, but only at the corners. So let's see, so you can do, oh, this is not allowed, but this is also allowed. So you can do this, put it on the corner there, or you can do this by connecting it to one of your corners. So that's allowed. Must touch at least one other piece of the same color, but only at the corners. There are no restrictions on how your pieces can touch pieces of different colors. So you can block in different colors from other players. So I think that's really nice. So it has a little bit of a challenge and you can really annoy some family members. So this could be either really cool or just, well, get ready for a fight between siblings. I don't know. I think we'll see. But some kids really like irritating the other, right? By blocking them in. So this is a really cool game to do that. And it has quite a bit of strategy here. I think a lot more than something like Monopoly or for example. Here blue pieces can only touch at the corners, but doesn't matter how blue pieces touch green, so they can all touch there and they only touch at the corners. So that is allowed. Once the game ends, players count the number of squares in their unplayed pieces. The player with the lowest number of squares wins. Also, you need to play larger squares as well. That's part of the tactic. So you have fewer pieces left when the game ends. With a 2-player game, you play 2 colors, which is pretty cool. And a 3-player game, the playing order is blue, yellow, red, and green, and each player chooses 1 color. The remaining color is shared. Okay. Yeah, so you have to play in the order of the colors. So you can also play this with 2 or 3 players, and then with 4 players. And you also have some advanced options, so you can even get some more points out of this and play different versions. So I think that's really cool. A lot going on here, a lot of pieces, and they're really shiny. Very good to look at. I'm going to try this a little bit more, but I hope this unboxing has helped you to make your choice.